Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a clay word style picture. It's super easy, totally free, and you don't need any complicated tools, just one app. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need the app called Dreamface, and if you don't have it yet, just simply open the Play Store and then search for Dreamface and then just install it. And once it's ready, just open the app and then log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan that gives you weekly credits. That's enough to generate a few images or video every day without spending a cent. Now once you're on the home page, just tap on the AI filter and then just scroll down until you find the section called Super Filter, this one. This is where all the unique and fun effects are. And from the list, just select clay words. This one, just tap on it. This filter will completely transform your photo into a mini clay style universe like this. And next, just choose the photo that you want to transform. It can be a selfie or a portrait of a friend or even an object photo. After you're done, just click on animate. And okay, like this, Dreamface just created your clay words versions, and that's it. You now have a fun clay styles photo that looks creative like this. And okay, that's how you can turn any photo into clay words art in minutes using nothing but Dreamface. And it's totally free, fast, and perfect if you want to make your social media posts stand out. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!